Alcibiades, a study in ambition, leadership, and ethical complexity. Alcibiades, a prominent figure in ancient Athens during the Peloponnesian War, remains one of the most intriguing and enigmatic characters in the history of philosophy, politics, and leadership. Born in 450 BC, he was a member of the influential Alcmaeonid family, which was renowned for its wealth and political power. As a student of Socrates and a key player in Athenian politics, Alcibiades' life and actions raise profound questions about ambition, leadership, and ethical complexity. In this lecture, we explore the life and legacy of Alcibiades, exploring his political career, relationship with Socrates, and the moral dilemmas he faced. Through a critical examination of Alcibiades, we gain insights into the complexities of leadership and the moral ambiguities that often accompany it. Ambition and political career. Alcibiades' early political career was marked by his ambitious drive to ascend the ranks of Athenian politics. His charisma, intelligence, and aristocratic background set him apart from many of his contemporaries. He quickly rose to prominence as a skilled orator and strategist, advocating for more aggressive Athenian foreign policy, particularly in the context of the Peloponnesian War. His advocacy for the ill-fated Sicilian expedition serves as a testament to his influence and ambition. The expedition's disastrous outcome had far-reaching consequences for Athens and contributed to his eventual defeat in the war. Alcibiades' ambition was both the source of his success and his downfall. His political maneuvering and ability to switch allegiances between Athens, Sparta, and Persia reflected a willingness to pursue power at any cost. His actions, such as defacing the Herms and participating in the profanation of the Eleusinian mysteries, demonstrates a willingness to subvert tradition and morality for a political gain. This raises the question of whether ambition, when unchecked, can lead to moral bankruptcy. Socratic influence. One of the most fascinating aspects of Alcibiades' life is his relationship with Socrates. Socrates, known for his commitment to ethics and the pursuit of knowledge, served as a mentor for Alcibiades during his youth. However, their association was marked by tension and complexity. Socrates, who famously claimed that an unexamined life is not worth living, challenged Alcibiades to question his own values and desires. Socratic dialogues featuring Alcibiades, such as Alcibiades I and Alcibiades II, provide insights to the philosopher's attempts to guide his young disciple towards self-knowledge and ethical reflection. Socrates aimed to channel Alcibiades' ambition and potential for leadership into a virtuous and just pursuit of power. Yet, their relationship remains a subject of debate among scholars. Did Socrates succeed in instilling ethical values in Alcibiades, or did the young politician ultimately prioritize his personal ambitions over moral considerations? Ethical dilemmas and moral ambiguities. Alcibiades' life is replete with ethical dilemmas and moral ambiguities. His involvement with the mutilation of the Herms, which were religious statues, and the desecration of the Eleusinian mysteries, sacred to Athenians, demonstrated willingness to compromise in matters of religion and ethical significance for political gain. His betrayal of Athens to Sparta and then Persia further complicates the ethical assessment of his actions. Yet, it's essential to recognize that Alcibiades' actions were not devoid of strategic reasoning. His ability to navigate the shifting alliances of the ancient world reflects a keen political mind, even if it meant betraying his city-state. This raises the question of whether leaders can truly ever prioritize ethics in the pursuit of power, especially in the complex landscape of international politics. Alcibiades' life and career serve as a captivating case study in the interplay of ambition, leadership, and ethics. His ambition propelled him to great heights in Athenian politics, but also led him to make morally questionable decisions that would ultimately tarnish his legacy. His relationship with Socrates highlights the tension between personal ambition and ethical values. While Socrates sought to guide him toward virtue, Alcibiades' actions often seemed to prioritize. While Socrates sought to guide him towards virtue, Alcibiades' actions often seemed to prioritize power over morality. The legacy of Alcibiades serves as a reminder of the complexities inherent in leadership and the moral ambiguities that accompany it. His life invites us to grapple with enduring questions about the nature of ambition, the role of ethics in politics, and moral dilemmas faced by leaders throughout history. As we analyze the life and actions, we are compelled to reflect on the enduring relevance of his story and its lessons for contemporary political and ethical discourse.